inside the polling place you cannot record, and you can't record into the windows observing people voting.
Did you say? I said, who do you think you is?
Excuse me, I'll
That's
call
what I said.
security.
That's what I said.
All right.
Welcome back to CT3, where we highlight clips and I'll recap with a few educational pointers to ensure your rights aren't violated on your next encounter with a cop.
This library is ginormous. I'm talking about it's huge. It's huge, man. I don't know if I've ever been to one as big as this. Oh.
Are you voting?
Oh no. That's what's going on today?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't know.
Are you videoing?
Yes, ma'am.
You cannot
Yeah, video here.
No cameras allowed in here.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm not coming in.
Well, you can't video in the room. Turn it off or leave.
Sir, calm down, sir. You didn't have to be that. See how rude you didn't have to be that rude, you know.
You cannot be videoing this room.
Uh-oh. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot for catching that for me. Yeah, I wasn't coming in the room, sir.
It doesn't matter. You cannot video what is happening in this room.
So I wasn't. So the young lady she was asking me a question and I was speaking to her. So
But you're videoing in this room and you cannot.
You don't have to worry about giving up.
yeah, I know he's just misinformed though.
No, I'm
my
not,
camera's on this young lady right here.
But she is in the room where voting is taking place. There is no photography allowed in the voting place.
Sir, I hear what you're saying about no photography inside of there, right? I'm not inside of there.
You are videoing what is happening in that room. That is not allowed.
No, I'm not. I'm talking to her.
You're videoing what's going on in there. Get your f***ing camera out of here. Don't be a
Sir,
vote.
sir,
Sir, yeah, man, but you ain't got nothing to do with this,
I
man.
do have something to do with this. You're wasting time. I'm trying
No,
to
you
vote.
wasted. You need to mind your business, man.
I'm minding my business because you're in my business.
You
Get
need
the
to
hell out
mind.
of here.
You get the hell out of here.
gonna stand
Think
right
you
here.
is, man. You need to mind
Did
your
you say
business.
kick my?
I said, who do you think you is?
Excuse me, I'll
That's
call
what I said.
security.
That's what I said.
All right.
Think you is, man. Mind your business.
I am, and I'm waiting here until.
I'm not even talking about you, man.
I'm talking about you.
Okay, what you got to say,
Elections are my business.
ma'am?
This man is right.
What
He's
I'm
been
trying to tell him
trained.
is, when I walked up, I had my camera directly on you, correct? Wasn't filming anything behind that area.
Not to worry, we've got
It's in the room. Get out of here.
Security?
security.
Well, security can come. And then this dude right here behind you, he needs to mind his business. He ain't gonna do nothing. He ain't gonna do nothing. Of course not. So you the smart guy, huh? You the smart guy. You the smart one, huh?
African American.
Come on, man. You's a goofy, man.
Are you voting?
He's a goofy.
My turn.
I'm waiting for someone to come and take care of this because I
No,
don't want election.
no one's gonna come take care of it. No one's gonna come take care of it. I have a right to do it. I'm not gonna allow any one of you guys to infringe on that, especially this goofy dude right here.
Well, that's why I'm standing around here to be a witness.
Goofy, man. Dude's a straight goofy.
Just let regular voters in.
He's videoing people in the room.
That's exactly right. Wait, now watch He's calling the police. He said he's gonna dial 911, and they're gonna tell him I'm good to go.
What's happening?
So what I'm doing today, ma'am, I'm walking around. Are you security? Yeah. Okay, good. So what I'm doing, I'm just walking around taking a picture of the library itself. To see that you guys are celebrating 150 years. So I'm coming up taking photos of that. However, when I got to this room, there was a young lady in there voting. She asked me, was I voting? I said, I'm not voting today. I was talking directly to her. Didn't have the camera on absolutely anybody else, and all these people become unhinged. This lady...
Just close the doors.
Exactly. I'm not going to delete anything, ma'am. I don't have to. I don't have to.
Yes, you do.
Absolutely not.
Because you can post
Let's go to the office.
and then and now that's election fraud.
What's election
Clear the
fraud?
vote, come on in.
Filming in the voting area.
No, in the
Ma'am,
voting
no, it's
area.
not. It's not election fraud.
No, let's go in the office and we'll talk.
No, he called the police, and we're going to wait for them to come.
Okay, I guess
We're definitely going to wait. It's not election fraud at all. Yeah, I understand you can't wear certain gear, trying to influence anyone's vote. Yeah, that's true. You can't do anything like that. And that's not why I'm here.
You can't even film a blank ballot.
I didn't do that today
You
either.
can't even do that so
I know.
someone could see what the ballot looks like. You can't even do.
Somebody will be here.
And I wasn't even doing that.
Somebody
I'm a witness. I don't want him to be the only
No,
witness.
just,
Well, hey, my camera's a witness as well. Good thing it's rolling.
he can't say anything. Huh? Right in there, go on in.
He's just saying that he's got the right to be here and videoing.
That's correct. Watch, Elgin police is definitely going to educate him. So, but you should have, before you guys came up, it was a guy right here cussing me out and everything. Yeah. So we're glad the cops are coming for that, because that's disturbing the peace. So we're glad they're coming.
We do have some conflict sometimes.
Yeah, you can't be up here cussing people out though. And he just was, so.
He was yelling at you, sir.
Yeah, I know.
You can go on in.
He started cussing me out.
Ma'am, let us handle it.
Yeah, they're unhinged. Yeah.
I'm here as a witness.
Okay.
And if he's
We
the only one being able
we
to say
understand,
it,
we appreciate that.
Yeah.
You work with him. We'll
For
work
sure.
with him, and then we'll get this
You guys need
resolved.
to work. You can go around and
That's
hold on.
crazy, man. That is crazy. Wow. My living God. Like I was telling this young lady before you guys came up, I was taking some video downstairs, and I didn't know that you guys were celebrating 150 years today. So I'm just walking around, taking video of
And
that.
that's your right.
So
We have nothing against that. That is your right.
it's crazy.
It's a public building.
Yeah, and even when I was right there, I had it on the lady sitting at the desk. Nobody casting the vote or anything.
Right.
So I didn't,
gotta understand that.
Yeah. But we'll just wait for Elgin to come and
Yeah.
go from there.
Yes.
For sure. Thanks for being professional. You and her. For sure.
Thank you for working with us.
Thanks a lot. For sure. Look at this guy. This guy, man. Ah, man. That's the one that was cussing at us, man. Yeah, he was cussing at us, yeah. Yeah, there you go.
That was filmed
Yeah,
inside.
yeah. Look at this guy, man.
Look at this guy.
This guy got on a whole clown suit. Look, he's missing a big red nose. Look. How you doing, Sarge?
Good. Is the election judge here anywhere?
I'm not really sure.
Right here. Okay.
No. So if I can speak with you, Sarge.
Sure, absolutely.
Now this young man, this young lady, this security that's been standing with me the entire time.
That's correct.
So what I actually came here to do, I was walking around the entire library filming, right? A young man that works downstairs told me to go upstairs and see the 150, year anniversary. So I came up here, and we came across this room. Obviously, they're doing early voting. I never crossed the threshold, and a young lady that works in there was engaging me. So I was just talking directly to her. Make sure to put my camera on anybody doing anything in there in terms of voting. Just speaking to a personnel. And before we could even really get a dialogue, they just went off.
Okay. Just so you know, though, you can't record inside a polling place. So inside the polling place, you cannot record, and you can't record into the windows observing people voting. But if you want to record anywhere in the library, you're free to do that. You're free to do that, but you need the permission of the county clerk in order to record inside a polling place.
Okay, I understand what you're saying, Sarge. So how it was interpreted, or conveyed to me rather, that I couldn't record actual people casting their votes because that is illegal.
Inside the actual
Yeah,
polling place,
you can't.
You can't record inside there.
And I didn't do that today. I didn't do that at all.
I just spoke with the election judge, and she confirmed that. So,
Okay.
I mean, if you want to walk around here and record, as long as it's okay, there's no and I've dealt with you before.
Yeah.
There's no
Did
problems.
you? Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I
we're
think-
at the 750 South State Street.
You're right,
So,
Sarge.
yeah.
You're absolutely correct.
But just to let you know, though, as far as when it comes to that room there,
Yeah.
you can't go through the windows and you can't step into the threshold.
And I never did. I never did.
Yeah.
I did. I mean, I'm gonna be perfectly honest. I had my camera set on the personnel there because, I mean, in all reality, they still are public officials, and we can record them in the course of their duties. But
Just
I
not
didn't.
in there, yeah.
I never had my camera on anybody casting a vote though.
Okay.
But they went off. They went right off and called you guys. So,
Yep. So I don't know what your plan is from here. I mean,
man, just go about my day and film the rest of the library. That's a beautiful library.
Fantastic. It's a great library.
Yeah. So
Appreciate it.
I
Good to
appreciate
see
you
you
too, Sarge, for
again.
sure. And officer, you know what, real quick? What's your?
I'm Sergeant Engelke.
Sergeant
Engelke,
Engelke. And your badge number, sir?
275.
Appreciate that. You, sir?
Officer Rapaz, 348.
Thanks a lot. And you, sir?
Officer Alahi, 1540.
Appreciate that. Thanks a lot.
The cameraman was completely within his rights to film in a public building, yet multiple individuals tried to shut him down, escalate the situation, and even call the police. But once again, the law is on his side. From the start, the election staff and others became unhinged, aggressively asserting that filming was illegal, without actually understanding the law. The cameraman remained composed, stood his ground, and refused to be bullied into compliance. People hate accountability, especially when a camera is involved. When security arrived, they even attempted to claim that election fraud was taking place, an absurd and completely false accusation. Election laws prohibit filming people actively casting their vote, but nowhere does it say that simply filming near a polling location is illegal. The most ridiculous part, The loudest person in the room, the guy cussing and escalating the situation, was never addressed for disturbing the peace. Instead, they fixated on someone quietly filming, proving once again that cameras make people nervous for all the wrong reasons. Major respect to the cameraman for staying calm and handling the situation like a pro. This is exactly why we need more people exercising their rights and keeping public officials in check.
But that's going to do it for this video. Much love to these awesome creators. Again, make sure you use the links in the description to go check out their channels and show them some love. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next episode.